Hey, hi. Today we are going to review uh, Network A2 book. So this is the book. So it's in green, color. I really like this color. As you can see, it's like Netzwerk Deutsch als Fremdsprache Kursbuch. So A2 mit audio CDs. There are two audio CDs. This contains 12 lessons each, and 6 lessons each, one CD. So you will get one CD for like 6 lessons. So this is Kursbuch, and we have also this is for Arbeitsbuch, where you need to like work on these things. And then you also have a Glossary, and with all the meanings. And one of the most important thing is like they have given four model paper for Goethe certificate. You can see this Prüfungstraining Goethe certificate A2. So you can practice this. This is really very important, and then practice this. So you can download audio from internet, okay, and then work on it. So let's get into the book. So this is the book, and this Kursbuch, so which has uh, uh, 12 lessons. And one of the most important thing is like on the first page of on the cover page, inside they have given Germany and Switzerland and Austria map. So the most important thing, you have to go through each and every, there are 16 states of Germany and other, Austria and Schweiz. Please go through it. It's very useful information. And India, this is published by Goel Publisher. You can see here it's Delhi. And then so might be these days, most of your computers and laptops doesn't have a CD drive. So if you don't want your CD, like you don't have a CD drive, if you want your audio files, you can download it from here. You can see klett-spaken.de Netzwerk Medin A2. So if you are A1, you can have A2, and if you buy the book, you will get a code down this, and you can download all the audio and video files as well. And when it comes to the course structure, the book structure, this is the structure of the book. It's, you need to go through this, and suppose if you have, there are symbol, which symbol represents what. So if you have a CD symbol, this is like listening exercise, and if you have a pen symbol, there's a writing exercise. If you have video symbol, there's a scene we need to follow and then work it on it, and all other divisions, they've explained it here clearly. And this is the lesson chapters, and when you go to each lesson, I'll show you something interesting. So every lesson has learn sila, that means learning goals, and grammatic. Each and every lesson will have all these things, like what are the learning goals, what can you do by end of this course, and then how much grammar they are going to cover it in it. So this is really wonderful. They have, and one more thing I'll tell you, like after every three lessons, you will have a wiederholung spiel. So that's really good. And see, now this is third lesson, and then that's third lesson spiel. This is called wiederholung spiel. See, so you need to play it again with all these what have you learned in these three lessons, you will be get repeated over here. So that's a great way of I mean remembering the language or learning the language. So each every 3 lessons you will have this. And one more important thing is last page we generally uh, don't see in the when you buy the book, so this is very important as well. So you can see in the end of this page, end of the page, I mean end of cover page, you have a Kursbuch, the course language. So you can see this something called Des das sagt der Lehrer or the Lehrerin. So these things will be said or teach by teacher. So he might be using all these words. So you need to first explain to the students that I'll be using these uh, things in the due course, and then and the, one more section is the sagen sie. Okay, so I mean the students might tell these things. So there's one example, ich habe eine Frage. Okay, I have a question. Or noch einmal bitte. Can you I mean once again please. So these things will be very useful, that in the DQs if they try to use these sentences, it will be more helpful for them in understanding or learning and speaking the language. And I have also this one, that's their Kursraum. That means like what are the things the course room should have, all these things. Okay, das Buch, das Heft, their Radiergummi. So I really like this Radiergummi. Radiergummi is eraser. And see other things, you can see the board, the computer, the Tafel, das Wörterbuch, Bleistift, their Stift. So things like that, their shift. Okay, and yeah, this is published by, as already said, Quail Publishers and Distributors, and this comes with 2 CDs each. Arbeitsbuch has 2 CDs, and Kursbuch has 2 CDs, plus this 4 model papers of Goethe and Glossary, which includes total cost of 770 rupees plus 80 rupees for shipping. Okay, thanks for watching.